Hello everybody, hope you're all fine. This is Srivanth from Saitechinfo. So today we are going to discuss human brain and its function. Hope you'll find this topic very interesting. So before we get into the topic, let's see about the human brain. So let's see about the human brain and what are the parts of the human brain. At the top, cerebrum is located, and our human brain is protected by cranium. So the big brain is it's in the middle of the brain, and a tubular structures that comes out of the brain is known as the spinal cord, and uh, below the brain there are hindbrain, and hindbrain consists of pons, medullas, and cerebrum. So inside over the midbrain is also protected by pituitary glands and hypothalamus. Let us see a concept map based on the human brain. So human brain is widely considered as three main parts: midbrain, forebrain, and hindbrain. Our brain only controls our body functions in our body. So next, our brain is a complex organ. Forebrain is our main thinking part. Forebrain is specialized for hearing, smell, and sight. Cranium is also known as skull. Sensation of feeling full is due to the forebrain. Blood pressure, vomiting, salivation are controlled by medulla in the hindbrain. So many involuntary actions are controlled by midbrain and hindbrain. Hindbrain consists of medulla, pons, and cerebrums. Thinking about activities like walking, riding a cycle, these are possible due to the part of the hindbrain called cerebrum. So now this is another brain diagram, but here we have to only label the parts. So as I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you have to label the parts of this brain. Hope you'll find this question very easy. Now we will see about the fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks is also a question type. I've given about 8 questions in the slide. Question number 1: dash is the complex organ in the human body. So second question: dash brain is the main thinking part. Third question: dash and dash are controlled by medulla in the hindbrain. Fourth question: many dash actions are controlled by dash and dash. Fifth question: hindbrain consists of dash, dash, and dash. Sixth: our brain is protected by dash. Seventh question: cranium is also known as dash. Eighth question: dash brain is specialized for dash and dash. We have came to the end of the video. In this we'll see a true or false at last. So it consists of among 5 questions it's there in this slide. So we'll see the first question: brain is a complex organ. Second question: brain feels pain. Third question: cerebrum is in forebrain. Fourth question: cranium means spinal cord. Fifth question: skull is protected by brain. So hope you like this video. So thank you for watching everybody.